Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. A farmer has 800 feet of fencing left over from an early crop. He wants to use it to fence in a rectangular plot of land except for a 20-foot strip that will be used for a right way. We need to see in the diagram in here. The next one is spread the area A of the plot as a function f of x. What is the domain of f? For what x is capital A or maximum? So now I will show you how to answer. We know that the total fence that is about 800 feet. So we start from here. So we go to this way, to here, 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 and we stop in here. So the total that should be about 800 feet, but we have 20 feet for the right way. So in this situation, we can find about the total perimeter of the rectangle. That should be about, we have 800, we plus 20, and that should be about 820 feet. Now we know that we have s in here, so I will put about the width that is about s, so we can find about the length in here. So we have perimeter is about 820 feet, so we need to divide by number 2, so we can find about the length. We just minus about s, so we have 110 minus s. The next one, we need to find the area A of the plot as a function f of s. So area equal to f of s. We have the width multiplied by the length, and this is the answer. Now the next one, what is the domain of f? So domain in this situation, s should be greater than number 0, because there should be about positive number for the width and smaller than 410, because 410 that is about the maximum for the length, and this is about the domain in here. Now the last one, we need to find s to make sure that capital A is a maximum area. So we have the function in here. So s multiplied by 110 and s. So if we want to find the maximum, we need to find first the derivative of the function. So first the derivative of 410s, we have 410. The next one, that is about 2s. Later that we put this one equals to number 0 to find the critical values. So we calculate about this one, and we have s equals to 205. So After we find the value of x, we can find the maximum area in here. That is about 42,025. This is the end. Thank you for watching.